Fenugreek has a range of health benefits thanks to its nutrient-rich profile, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant compounds. Here are some of its notable health benefits. Blood sugar regulation. Fenugreek seeds may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin function, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. The fiber in fenugreek can slow the absorption of sugars, which aids in more stable blood sugar levels. Digestive health. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, fenugreek can promote digestive health. It may help relieve constipation and improve gut health by supporting beneficial gut bacteria. Cholesterol management. Some studies suggest that fenugreek may help lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL or bad cholesterol, which can support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Anti-inflammatory effects. Fenugreek has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. It can potentially soothe inflamed tissues when used topically as well. Hormonal balance and lactation. Fenugreek is known to help balance hormones, especially in women. It's traditionally used to increase milk supply in breastfeeding mothers. The phytoestrogens in fenugreek may mimic estrogen, which can also help relieve menopausal symptoms. Weight management. The high fiber content in fenugreek seeds can help curb appetite and promote feelings of fullness, which may support weight management efforts. Antioxidant properties. Fenugreek contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, which contributes to cellular aging and the risk of chronic diseases. Libido and testosterone boost. Some research has shown that fenugreek supplements may help increase libido and testosterone levels in men, which can support reproductive health. Heart health. By helping to reduce cholesterol levels and control blood pressure, fenugreek can promote cardiovascular health. It also contains potassium, which helps maintain heart rhythm and blood pressure. Skin and hair health. Topically, fenugreek paste or oil may improve skin health by treating conditions like acne and inflammation. The seeds also have a moisturizing effect and can promote healthier hair by reducing dandruff and strengthening hair follicles. Fenugreek is generally safe, but it can interact with some medications, especially those that affect blood sugar and blood clotting. Consulting a healthcare provider before starting a fenugreek supplement is a good idea.